Locate the screws.
The door panel is secured to the door at 4 different points. The first screw is located behind the cover inside the door pull handle. Carefully pry off the cover and remove it. Then remove the screw underneath. The second screw is hidden behind a small cover next to the interior door handle. Carefully pry off the cover with a small screwdriver and remove the screw underneath. The third screw is easily accessible underneath the armrest. Remove the screw. The fourth fastener is a plastic retaining nut located at the bottom of the door panel. Turn the plastic nut a quarter turn to release it.
Removing the door panel.
Once all previously shown screws have been removed, the door panel is only held in place by retaining clips. Starting at the bottom, carefully release the clips one by one. A suitable trim removal tool is linked in the description. At the upper rear corner of the door panel, there is a special retaining clip. To release it, lift the door panel upwards.
Disconnecting the door handle cable and electrical connector.
Pull the locking tab on the Bowden cable slightly backwards and unhook the cable. To disconnect the window switch connector, press the locking tab and pull out the connector. Remove any clips that remain in the door and reinstall them onto the door panel. Before reinstalling the panel, all clips should be in this position. Some clips may need to be slid back into their original position. Replacement clips are also linked in the description. When reinstalling the door panel, reconnect all electrical connectors and make sure everything works correctly. Hook the top of the door panel into place first, then press it down. Finally, press or gently tap all clips back into place. Unlike during removal, the special clip is simply pressed back into place during installation and does not need to be slid in. Good luck with the repair!